Today, we're making a wholesome twist on a classic favorite, Buckwheat Biryani. Nutritious, hearty, and full of rich spices, this is comfort food with a healthy spin. Place 1 cup of hulled buckwheat groats into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, then pour in 500 milliliters of water. Give it a stir, cover, and let it soak overnight. The next day, we make our fresh spice mix. We need ½ teaspoon coriander seeds, 4 cloves, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 green cardamom, half a bay leaf, 1 gram of cumin seeds, and a small piece of black cardamom. Transfer to a pan over low heat and roast gently for about a minute until the aroma rises. Then transfer to a blender and grind for about 20 seconds. Now to this ground mixture, add ½ teaspoon chili flakes, 0.5 gram of lemon powder, 1 gram turmeric, 0.5 gram is ginger powder, 1 gram garlic powder, ½ teaspoon salt, and a dried plum for a subtle tang. Mix everything well and your fragrant biryani masala is ready. Drain and rinse the soaked buckwheat groats. In a pan over high heat, add 400 milliliters of water and the buckwheat. Bring it to a boil, then cover with a lid, reduce to low heat, and cook for 10 minutes until the water evaporates. Set aside. Cut 500 grams of chicken breast into small, bite-sized pieces. Transfer them to a pan. Add 60 milliliters olive oil or tallow, 80 milliliters yogurt, our biryani masala blend, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together. Cover and cook on high heat until it begins to bubble. Then stir once more. Cover again and reduce to low heat. Let it cook gently for 20 minutes. Now turn the heat back up, stir, and continue cooking until most of the water evaporates. Then turn off the heat. Finally, add in the cooked buckwheat groats. Stir gently until everything is well combined. And that's it. Your delicious, hearty buckwheat biryani is ready to serve. Dish it out, enjoy the aroma, and savor every bite of this nourishing and flavorful meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wholesome recipes. Thanks for watching.